That song was brought to you by Jollibee Breakfast Joys. Start your day great with Jollibee Breakfast Joys.
Hello there. It's 5 o'clock.
That time check was brought to you by So Lucky Crackers. Hating kaibigan, swerte sa sarap.
The Green Hills Shopping Center's Jewelry Fair.
4 sachets ng Maggi Magic Sarap pwedeng maging 1 million pesos? Corrected by dahil mayaman sa pagma-Maggi Magic mo araw-araw.
Sali na sa Maggi Mayaman sa Magic Araw-Araw Promo. Pwede kang manalo ng 1 million pesos sa Grand Draw o na cash araw-araw.
Simple lang sumali, magpadala ng 4 empty sachets ng kahit anong size ng Maggi Magic Sarap o isang empty sachet of any size ng Maggi Magic Sinigang. Pwedeng original o kaya dati. Or isa ring empty sachet ng Maggi Magic Sabaw. Kahit anong flavor, pwedeng pork, chicken, or beef.
Ilakip with your contact details at ihulog sa MBC stations or participating supermarkets na malapit sa inyo. Makinig sa mga MBC stations tulad ng TCRH, Love Radio, Yes FM, Easy Rock, Hot FM, Action Radio at Radyo Natin para sa mga detalye at announcement ng winners. Promo period is from January 30 to April 11, 2012 for DOH FDA permit number 2317 series of 2011. See posters for complete details.
Hello. We reviewed the numbers and we're off target. This may be the last time you'll see me. Let's drown our sorrows with Boracay rum.
Oh yeah! We falling love. I wanna go and continue. We stretching, we going right straight at you. No joke, ain't no lie. I have to say, pick up somehow. Working till the work is through. Capture that and experience the good times and bad times with Boracay rum. Drink responsibly.
Fruity Pop, lahat pop sarap. F-R-O-O-T-Y. Fruity Pop! Ang favorite ko, Fruity Bubble Pop. Fruity Bubble Pop. Harvest namin, strawberry grape. Bubble Pop, piso lang. Ang favorite namin, Fruity Twin Pop. Twin sarap, Fruity Twin Pop. Two fruity flavors in one lollipop. Piso lang.
Iba't ibang Fruity Pop, lahat pop sarap.
R-O-O-T-Y.
SRT, piso lang.
F-R-O-O-T-Y. That's Fruity Pop. Kung ano ang gusto ng bibig, may Fruity Pop na bigay hilig. Fruity Bubble Pop, Fruity Twin Pop, at Fruity Pintura Pop. Iba't ibang Fruity Pop, lahat pop sarap. Piso lang based on SRP.
Come baby, dance with me, you gotta leave it all on the dance floor. Leave it on the dance. Yeah baby, follow me, you gotta bring it all and show me more. Go Star City City, let's have some fun. Go Star City City for everyone. Go Star City City. Now.
Star City is now open daily, Mondays to Thursdays, 4 p.m. onward, and Fridays to Sundays, 2 p.m. onward. Visit our website, www.starcity.com.ph.
Put some sparkle in your life. Visit Green Hills Shopping Center's Jewelry Fair from February 10 to March 12 and give yourself a fresh new look.
Hello, I'm Gian, the luckiest boy in the world. Kasi si Mami, love na love kami nila ate at daddy. Kaya kahit may overtime siya, she calls 87000 Jollibee Delivery. Para pag uwi niya, may chicken joy na kami. May spaghetti at fries pa. Galing niya, no? Kaya sa mami ko, thank you po. At sa boss ng mami ko, gawin mo na din pong boss ni mami, ah. Dali! Dali, shoes!
Di makauwi on time? Tawag na sa Jollibee Delivery. 87000 para lang hapsarap ang dinner ng family.
It's another stressful day on the job. Deadlines by the end of the day, your boss hounding you to finish. It's driving you nuts. But relax. And this too shall pass. Keep things light and easy at work. For 96.3 Easy Rock, just rock, right rock.
Sing along with the music.